Hey guys, it's Nat. I did it. I did the biggest boo-boo I could do. I did the perfect video and has zero audio. So pay attention to the text. I'll try to voice it over as best I can, but this is a great carrot cake recipe. I really hope that you guys enjoy baking with me. Like, subscribe, and pop me on the counter. Let's bake a carrot cake if you can keep up. You know what? Just go watch the videos of me giving it to people. That'll make you laugh. So, sorry I'm so informal, but I was editing and I just realized what I did. So, here's hoping we can do the best we can with what we've got, eh? I'm so tired of myself. Alright, pay attention. Okay? Alright. Okay guys, bear with me. So I'm telling you to wash your hands, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350, and then you're going to have your lined pan. Now you can do 2 9-inch rounds. I'm doing this one because I'm giving them away as usual, and you can watch those shorts on my YouTube channel as well. So I'm also going to add 3 cups of carrots, 1 cup of oil, 4 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and 2 cups of sugar. And this is a teaspoon each of cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. So you're just going to put all that together in the bowl. You're going to do the dry ingredients first and just make sure they're well combined. That's my new mixer. Her name is Molly Mixer. She goes along with Betty Beater. We'll still be using Betty Beater some. I hate that y'all can't see my personality in this because I've done so good on this video, I'm telling you. Okay, so like I said, just put it all in there. Now, if you don't got one of these glass bowls for your mixer, I recommend you getting one. And here's why. Because you can see through the bottom, and you can tell if everything's getting mixed in there well. And you're going to have to scrape anyway, but it tells you where to scrape. I already cracked my eggs because I wasn't going to take that much time on camera. And here I'm telling you how much time I take between takes and how I was trying to make sure that didn't happen today. Now, do not wring out your carrots or anything. There's just enough moisture in there to add the moisture to the cake. So it's not like apples or potatoes where you got to wring all the juice out or anything like that. I know this is longer and you're just watching me just fast forward, but I promise it's not all for naught. And here we go. Incoming. I'm such a nerd, y'all. I sit here and chuckle at myself through editing. And so whenever I get to talk through it, like, y'all don't hear me commenting on how stupid I am. So you just go put it in your pan and you're going to bake it for about 25 minutes in that 350 oven. And while it's baking, we're going to go ahead and make that icing. Now, for the icing, all you need is your 8-ounce cream cheese, half a stick of butter, and a little teaspoon of vanilla, which I'm running to go grab. And then you're going to add about 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar. And you're just going to cream it till it's thick and in stiff peaks, like so. Boom. And then you can put it in a piping bag, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate them. All right, so this is the one I'm keeping for myself because it was an edge broken piece. And I'm just going to pipe on my cream cheese icing, and I'm doing this for all the ones that are in the tin that I'm going to give away too. So I just pipe on my little cream cheese icing. And then I'm going to do a couple little carrots on here because I think they're so cute. Here's your reminder to go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're watching me do these cute little carrots. And again, go watch some shorts where I'm giving these away and making people happy with my bakes. I get these little icings on the side for when I have to do little decoration like this and I don't want to make a whole big batch. Isn't she cute? Look at her. She's adorable. And look, she's spongy. We're going to try it in just a second. Here you go. Now, I wasn't going to leave me trying it in, but y'all got to see how I look. You already know. Happy girl dance. I'm telling you, it's moist and creamy, and it's perfect because I'm good like that. If you don't believe me, go watch Sammy dance around while he's eating it. It's hilarious. He's a whole vibe. I ended up eating that whole dang piece too. So Thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Thank you for getting me to almost 100 subscribers. Please keep hitting that subscribe, like, and share button. Join me next time for another Baking Me Happy on Thursday, where I'll probably be doing some meringue. I'm not sure yet. In the meantime, watch my shorts. I've been doing some Christmas cookies, and you know, I just have a lot of fun around here, and I just love hanging out with you guys, and I'm so glad that you're baking with me, and I hope you're learning stuff from me. If you're in Willimantic, comment where you work. I'll try to bring you some things that I've baked as well. I give everything away. I'm baking me happy. I'm baking other people happy. So again, join me next time. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever. Love you. Bye.